Hello everyone, Shreyan here with yet another perfume review, and today we have a discontinued gem in our hands. Now, this was something which reminded me of the bygone years, and that's the beautiful thing about fragrances, isn't it? Whenever you smell something familiar, it takes you to the specific time or the specific moment that we loved. And this is where I would ask you, have you ever tasted Center Shock back in the day? Because when I was a child, it was my favorite chewing gum. It was probably the pinnacle of sourness when it came to our taste buds. Some people hated it, but personally, I loved that bit of sourness. Also, its ads. Back in 2000s, when we derived all of our visual entertainment from television, they had this pretty catchy ad that a man walks into a barber shop. He wants this frizzled haircut, and the barber gives him this chewing gum. He chews it, he shakes his head vigorously, and eventually ends up having this hairstyle. And that was followed by this catchphrase, "Hila ke rakh de." Plus, there is one thing about taste. It's closely related to our sense of smell, and as you have noticed, when you are sick or when you lose the ability to smell, you don't feel the taste in your food. And that's where all the gourmand fragrances come into equation. Perfumes which have chocolate, vanilla, cocoa, and so on. So coming back to the Center Shock chewing gum, what if we had something exactly like Center Shock? It would have green apple and peach notes at the top. It may have been a barbershop type fragrance despite its woody aromatic nature. It would have a tinge of musk at the base, things of that sort. Now, many people wouldn't be aware, but there is such a perfume called Macaque by Zoologist. But here's this thing about Macaque, it was rarely cloned or even available in India. And in those days, when I started collecting perfumes, I was on my perfume journey. Either I had to try an inspired version that might not be completely familiar, or I had to wait. But back then I was collecting perfumes left and right. I was not so cautious about this hobby, and thankfully I got my hands on this one, and its name is Langur by Project Alternative. So Project Alternative is an Indian brand by Mohit Khatri, and it manufactures inspired fragrances. I remember one such fragrance by them called Alexa White, which was really popular because it had similar notes compared to Office for Men by Jeremy Fragrance. But personally, I feel Langur was where they truly shined. Now, Langur opens up with a cold and sharp blast of green apple and damn sour. And it's almost too much for your nose at a time. And when I smelled this for the first time, I felt this familiarity, and moments later I went, oh, so this is how it smells like. It's as if someone put Center Shock in a bottle. And like I said, it's sharp. It has an unmistakable sour fragrance. It's loud, perfect for the summer season. Gets the whole woody aromatic part right with a bit of musk and green tea forming the base of the fragrance. But unlike most woody aromatic fragrance, this one leans a lot towards the herbal and smoky side. There's galbanum, and you can check the notes of Macaque or any other fragrance on the internet. That would give you the idea, but the experience is where the beauty lies, and experiences are where reviews paint the our mental stencils until you actually smell the fragrance. So this took me back to the times when everything was simpler, when even a rupee would feel great because it would give me the joy of this exact thing, albeit be in the taste bud. Longevity wise, Langur lasts for 3 to 4 hours, and it gives somewhere between a mild to high projection depending on where you are, because at the end of the day the performance of a scent depends on the weather and your skin type. Plus, there's one more thing. Just like Center Shock wasn't for everyone, Langur isn't for everyone either. It's experimental, and when you are bored with too many fragrances, you want this sharp sour blast, you may want this. And you would definitely love this because you would feel a tad different. Now you may feel that there's too much smokiness or herbal notes involved, but that is what defines a beautiful mix for me. And that's it for Langur by Project Alternative. And I'll see you in the next video. And as always, thank you for your precious time.